Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the London XT solar post light in stainless steel set of 2 and in anthracite. Let's get going! So straight away it's important to note that the stainless steel edition comes as a set of 2 and the anthracite comes as a single light. In the anthracite box, you get the instructions, the light itself, and stake. Stake is incredibly easy to attach to the light. It's simply popping it into place at the bottom of the light, like so. Turning the light on is as simple. Pop the top off like this. You have the option of S for standard mode or P for power saving mode. The power saving mode ensures that this light works in the winter time. Now this light has an automatic on-off mode, and that means that the solar panel has a dusk sensor. During the day, it's going to collect all of that energy and store it in the battery, and then as soon as it gets dark, the light is going to turn on. Now in the London XT stainless steel box, everything is exactly the same, except it's doubled. So you have the instructions, 2 post lights, and 2 stakes. There's one extra step to installing these. You have to pop off the bottom, turn the base around, and pop it back into place. Then you pop it into the unit like so. Both of these lights have the same dimensions. It's 78mm across, 400mm down, and 570mm with the stake included. Both lights have an IP rating of 44, and they come with the new and improved power saving top for winter use. They have an automatic on-off sensor in the solar panel, and there is the manual switch to turn them on, power saving mode, and off for manual use. These gorgeous solar post lights will enhance any garden space with their soft 12 lumen glow. These lights all come with an extremely bright SMD bulb, and the stainless steel is of a Silverlight standard. Both of the lights are made with a 301 grade stainless steel. This one has just been coated to look anthracite grey. They have up to 8 hours of runtime, and there's no need to plug them into mains, giving you the flexibility and freedom to put them anywhere in your garden. It's worth noting that the big difference between these 2 lights is that the anthracite grey has a warm white SMD bulb, whereas the stainless steel has a cool white one. The difference is ever so subtle, but it is always worth just checking. So if you have any questions regarding these products, please make sure just to comment them down below and I will reply to you with the answer. These solar post lights have been a customer favourite for years and years and years, and I can completely understand why. Their minimalist finish make them contemporary and accessible to any garden space. We hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you on the next one.